Getting grass that's always greener is possible when you're using synthetic turf. And over the past decade, the market for it has flourished for 3 reasons: appearance, durability, and sustainability. You see, synthetic gives you more green with less work. Proper maintenance requires no chemicals, reduces water needs, and increases turf life by 10 to 15 years. Now isn't that greener? But nobody wants to see the seams from a synthetic install. It's easy to keep things seamless by cutting the sections of your turf in an S pattern. This helps ensure that the seams never show, despite weather or wear and tear. If your customers don't have the time for natural turf upkeep, suggest they go with synthetic. Then they'll refer you to their friends, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on,